Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Holly. Today I'm going to be planning in my Jesenia's Printables inserts for my B6 Foxyfix using this gorgeous kit from Hello Petite Paper. I actually just did like my whole intro kind of off camera, so I think what I was talking about was the fact that I originally wasn't going to use this kit this week. This is a really pretty travel themed kit that I was saving because it's a pretty big kit. It is a full kit, and it was like one of her mystery kits, so I think there's even like an extra deco sheet. So I didn't want to use it because this kit, or like these inserts, I don't use as many stickers as my Erin Condren, but the kit I was going to use was a gorgeous kit from Simply Watercolor Co. that was foiled, but I didn't realize that the bottom washi was this like really gorgeous bottom washi, and I forgot about the fact that I wouldn't be able to use like a really big bottom washi in these inserts. So I did do a last minute switch up and pull this out of the hoarding binder, and so I'm gonna go ahead and dive in. Oh, by the way, the reason I wanted to use this kit this week was because we are leaving for Paris on Wednesday, so I'm so excited about that. You'll hear all about that as I go through my plans. Okay, hello from Paris. So I'm actually recording this voiceover in a couple of minutes of downtime I have while I'm traveling, but I will back up and tell you about all this pre-planning I did. So I'm getting started with using the smaller strip of bottom washi along the bottom of the inserts. It fit pretty well. I left that little edge there because I wanted to trim it basically so that it'd be in line with the other stickers, so I had to put the other stickers down first. And now I'm gonna go through with my to-do headers. I had a really hard time deciding how I wanted to order these. I know that's like a dumb thing, but only one of the pink ones had those little like sparkles on it, so I decided I wanted to put that in the center just so visually it would be balanced. And I put these down because we weren't leaving till Wednesday night, so I knew Monday through Wednesday I'd probably have some to-dos I wanted to mark down, and then Thursday and Friday I put them there, but, you know, I didn't really end up using them. And here I'm going through and cutting down the checklist to be just 4 hearts. I really like her open heart checklist. I think they're really, really cute with the little scallops. As you'll see, I did put to-do headers on the weekend, but I'm actually going to take those up because I didn't actually need to-dos for the weekend because I would be traveling. I just don't like it when I only have them on like some days of this spread. So like I left them on Thursday and Friday. But anyway, now on to the sidebar there. I used the quote box, which I thought was really, really cute with the Explore. And I'm going to try to do some like light color blocking for this spread, at least on this first half of the week. There were just enough boxes that kind of coordinated with the colors of each day that I just thought that would be kind of cute. So now I'm just kind of like reconfiguring because I didn't want 2 florals on one side. And there were kind of like 2 quote boxes, so I used that other one on Friday. And we're trying to put the blue on the blue days, and my inserts aren't cut perfectly, so I'm having a hard time lining them up across the week. But yeah, I didn't use any date covers with this spread because the Hello Petite Paper kits don't come with them, and I just thought it looked kind of nice and simple and open. And here I am adding those to-do lists, and then I'm realizing like, wait, you don't really need those, so I'm gonna lift up those headers and come back and do that in a minute with some today headers. But I am gonna use my today headers on the first half of the week first, again, going for that color blocking effect. I just thought that looked kind of pretty with all the different colors of this kit. And then I am going to do my sidebar, I think, next. So I am going ahead and lining up that washi with the quote box because that kind of let me line up the width that I wanted to use. And then I used the extra piece to fill in some space since I didn't have a ton of printed washi in this kit. This kit comes with some plain washi, but not a ton of printed. Then I'm using a weekly checklist there for this week and a habit tracker. And then I didn't quite have enough room to use more washi there, so I decided to just add some cute little deco to fill up that space down at the bottom that I had left. And I just thought that looked cute. And then onto the weekend, I am adding those today headers at the top. Like I said, no need for to-do checklist. Definitely wanted to use that really cute weekend banner to fill some space. And then I'm just putting the full boxes at the bottom here. I decided not to use the bottom washi on this side because I didn't really have enough to cover the whole thing. And so I kind of like to do the 2 pages of the spread a little bit differently so that everything kind of coordinates within like a given view, if that makes sense. So on Monday, I took a half box to mark down that I wanted to go for a run during the day.
day. I ended up lifting instead, but at the time I was planning on running. So I have a little emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. because I'll be using those this week and to mark like as my character stickers. Then I wanted to go to the post office after work, so I have a little envelope from the freebie that came with this kit. I thought that was so cute because it has the little print inside the envelope. Adorable. And then I am also taking a little flag and a little emoji recording a voiceover because I had to edit and record a voiceover that night. And then I decided I wanted to mark down my videos. So I'm getting out these really cute stickers from Scribble Prints Co. I like these a lot for weeks that I have to like keep on track with my videos. Like I might have a lot of editing to do or something like that. And they're just like, they're a little bit big for my Erin Condren, which is a little bit more like a memory keeper. But for this, it like actually serves as like a place to check off the to-dos. Those are from Scribble Prints Co. in case I didn't say that. And then on to Tuesday, there I am taking a half box from the kit with a clear Elevate sticker over top. The Elevate stickers are a custom from Hummingbird. What is she called? Hummingbird Studio, I think. Those are, I got pretty new, and that Run one is also from her as well. I realized I didn't love the way the Run looked on top of a half box because it's kind of like small, but it wouldn't really lift that well. So I just left it there. And then on Tuesday, I also wanted to remember to pick up the house before we left. So I took a little icon sticker from the kit. On Wednesday, I started out by putting at the bottom of the day the half box that says time to travel with a word sticker from the deco sheet to mark down that we obviously had our flight that night. And then I took the little feed me sticker also from Coffee Monsters Co. from her pet sheet to mark down that I needed to do with dog's pills. And then that day I also wanted to like take some planner pictures and film if I had time before I left. So I used the cute little planner sticker from the freebie as well. Oh, and I'm using one of these little travel emojis because they're just too cute not to. It's the one holding the passport, and since we were traveling internationally, I thought that was perfect. On Thursday, I decided to cut down her flag a little bit. I don't love quite how it goes all the way across the page, so I realized, hey, I could just cut that down. So I used one of the travel emojis to mark down that we were arriving. Then I also had a bill due that day, so I just took an asterisk at the bottom to remind me of that. And we were just going to be doing some exploring, so I just kind of took that backpack and like walking stick exploring emoji to mark that down. And Friday we didn't have any definite plans, so I just used like a half box. And that's kind of how I'm going to approach Saturday and Sunday as well. I just put in like flags and half boxes to be able to mark down like different meals and events. On Saturday we did have one event definitely, which was a baking class. So I wanted to put that in. Oh, and then on Sunday, I did want to make a point to get like a cute little like coffee or something. So I used that coffee run sticker from Hello Petite Paper. But yeah, a lot of this was just kind of like guesstimating at the pre-planning. Because honestly, now that we're here, like we've stuck to in terms of like doing the things that we wanted to do, but not necessarily on the days we wanted to do them because a lot of it has been weather dependent. On Saturday though, we did have a croissant baking class, which was so fun. So I took that little emoji, the giant one that's like baking cookies, because I thought that looked close enough to croissants and was pretty cute to mark down that class. I have been posting Instagram stories kind of throughout our trip, and I have that saved in my profile if you want to follow along. It's just been really fun. So on Saturday, I also wanted to go shopping. So I was taking that shopping bag. I don't know why I moved that. Maybe I wanted to use it somewhere else. Or maybe my plans weren't definite. But anyway, now moving on to the other page, I am cutting down some flags so that I can use them next to those words, because I just thought that was like a cute way to kind of mark out those sections. I'm also going to take some deco just to decorate those little like happy thought boxes. And the next week, because next week we were still going to be in Paris. We're leaving like midweek. And then I am taking some of the larger bottom washi at the bottom, and of course that little suitcase stack as deco. I thought that was really cute. And then I realized I wanted to fill in that note section. I just used a list there and just called it personal, just kind of like for I wanted to use that for Instagram tracking, although then I realized I didn't really need to have the other one for meal tracking. So yeah, I haven't really been using either of those lists this week, if I'm being honest with you guys. So anyway, using some deco, like strategically, like that suitcase to mark down that I needed to pack, and that a little, what's it called, flight sticker to mark down that I wanted, or that we were flying back next week. But yeah, otherwise just filling in the different deco and trying to use all the really cute stuff that comes with this kit, because it's too cute not to use. But that is pretty much it. I hope you guys have been having a wonderful week. Sorry I've been a little quiet. I will be back to normal once I am back in the US. But yeah, Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to come over to Instagram to follow along with my trip. And don't forget to subscribe so that you see more videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye!